Hello, mathematicians. Today, I'm going to show you how to play a game called Race You to 25 Cents. So I'm going to show you where I shared it with you on today's schedule or today's agenda. So right here is where I have Thursday, 5/7, so Thursday, May 7th. And down here it says play Race to 25 Cents on the app. So that's where you would click on it to get to something that looks like this game, okay? Down here, I'm just going to move that over. You have a few things. So that's the instructions for the game. Then when I click on this part, it shows me the first game board. And when I click on this part, it shows me the second game board. So I was kind of playing and experimenting with the game already. So I already had a penny that was on top that I need to move to the side where I can use it. Okay, so that is going to be my game board. And this one's going to be Owen's game board. Even though Owen isn't right here right now, I'm going to pretend I'm playing against him. That way I don't even really need a partner. Okay, so the other thing. So I'm going to show you how this game works. And whoever gets to the quarter or the 25 cents first is the winner. That would be just to play one round. If you want to play up to a whole dollar, I also put in your agenda this in math, and it says digital money pieces. And when you click on that, you get something that looks like, it just looks like a plain screen here. But what I did is that I put out, I'm going to show you, I'm going to take these away first and show you where I got them. Okay. I put out a whole dollar for me, and I put out a whole dollar for Owen. Then I picked up the pen. I knew I picked it up when it was straight up and down, and I chose the color red to write my name. And then I changed the marker to blue to write Owen's name. I made a mistake before, so I picked up the eraser. I knew I had it because it was up and down. And when I'm done with it, I have to put it away. So the way this would work is that after each round, whoever gets to 25 cents first will get to put a 25-cent portion on top of their dollar. So whoever colors their dollar first would be the first one to 100. Okay, so let's just see what happens. I'm going to put this away, and we're going to see who gets the first 25 by playing this game. So this is going to be my game board. This is going to be Owen's. Mine looks different because I already brought out some pennies to put them close so that they'd be right there when I'm ready to use them. So I'm going to spin. Every time I spin, I'm only going to get 1, 2, 3, or 4 cents. Okay. My goal, once I fill up all 5 of these, I get to exchange them, put them away or to the side, and trade them for a nickel. Okay. Then I have to do pennies again until I have 5 again, and I get another nickel. Once I have 5 nickels, I get to trade them for a quarter. So let's just see my first turn. Okay, so I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to flip to Owen's game board, and it's his turn. Okay, oh, it's on the line. Spin again. 4. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4. My turn. So far I have 3. Whoop, on the line. Okay, this is interesting because I got 4. I got 1, 2. Then I have 3, 4. So I don't have space for all that because now I have too many pennies. So I have to trade these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the first nickel. Now I have space to put these on there. So far, I'm up to 7. So I think I'm going to mark that on there and just show that I'm at 7 so far. All right, I'm going to put my marker down. Let's spin for Owen. 1 cent. So that means he gets to trade for a nickel. Okay, because 5 pennies is equal to 1 nickel. And he can mark on his board that he's up to 5. So far he's just at 5. I'm going to go back to my board. Okay, this is my board. My turn to spin. Ooh, I got 4. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have a leftover, and I'm going to need to trade, aren't I? 3, 4. So now I need to take those away and trade them. 5 of those turn into a nickel. Ooh, I have 2 nickels. Now there's a space for this penny to go over here. Ooh, I am now up to 11. So 11 comes right after that 10. So I'm right there. Okay, so we're going to keep playing until somebody gets to the point where they have 5 nickels, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 that they can trade for a quarter. And then that would be the end of that first game. So here's a quarter. I'm going to put it right there. That looks like the back of the quarter. So if I got there, whoops, I have to pick up my pen. If I got there, I would win the 25 cents for that game. Watch how I start over. Watch, I'm going to clear the whole board. Start over. Yes. Start over. Yes. But if I'm playing all the way to 100, I'm going to go here, and that actually was true. Hold on, I'm going to erase that real quick. That I did. I have to put my eraser down before I do other things. I'm going to get rid of that. I actually did win the first round, so I got my first 25 cents before Owen got any of his. So far I'm going to write that I'm up to 25. Okay, and he's got 0 so far. Let's just pretend that I play again and I win again. Whoopsie, I have to put my pen down. So I get to add another 25 cents. This time I have to say, what am I up to? 25 and 25 more. Let's see, these are all 5s. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. If I won 25 cents 2 times, I'm up to 50. If I win it again, I'm going to put my pen down so I don't accidentally draw on it. I'll be up to 75. Okay, and if I win it one more time than that, I would be all the way up to 100. So that is how to do it if you want to race all the way to $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay, so because we cleared our screen, we can play our second round, and you can keep going as long as you want to. You can have a partner, or you don't have to have a partner. You could call it me 1 and me 2. and you could just see which game board gets you to 25 cents first. All right, if you don't want to play it online, you can do it in your book, print it out, and you could do it with real pennies and real nickels and real quarters. So you don't have to do it on this app. I just thought it might be a little bit fun for you guys. All right, don't go spending all of your money in one place.